In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the citation tool in Google Docs. It's actually kind of cool. So here I have an essay, and I've got two different articles that I've used to provide evidence for this essay. And I need to make a citation for it. And I actually need to make a Works Cited page as well. So to do that, it actually is useful to use the citation tool built into Google Docs. To get there, I'm just going to go to Tools right here. Then I'm going to select Citations. And then it's going to give me the option to pick between three different types of citations. In English, we use MLA. APA is used in some science classes. And Chicago is pretty rarely used in high school, so we're not going to worry about that one. But let's look at MLA. I'm then going to click Add Citation Source. And I'm going to select the source type. Both of my sources are websites, so I'm going to select website. It says access by website, so we're not going to worry about that. And then it says search with a URL. So a URL is the link at the top of the page. So I need to grab the one from my article. So I'm going to go to this article first. I'm going to select the URL, Control C to copy. Come back over here, Control V to paste, and then I'm going to click search. It's already pulled up the information that I needed. It doesn't have the publishing year, at least it couldn't find it automatically, so I might have to look around for that. But it did pick up the author and the date access, which was today, the 26th. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click continue. And then I can just double check some things. So like it says the author's name is Gail Kern Pastor. I want to make sure that's accurate. That is Gail Kern Pastor. It said I couldn't find the publication date, so let me see if I can find it somewhere. No, I don't see it either. Now that's okay. I have most of the information I need. Now, if your teacher asks you to have a specific date range, then you want to make sure that you have that. Other information that I should have are the title, okay, which is the title of the article, the website title, which is right here, the publisher, which I might need to look up, which is going to be probably down here somewhere. It's the Folger State Shakespeare Library. So yeah, right here. When you see this copyright number, that's how you find the publisher. So I'm going to go ahead and just copy that in there. It might be in there twice, but that's okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to switch this. It's actually, might just be Folger EDU. Yeah. So the website title is this. The URL is right there. Okay. No, we got it all. We got it. We're good. It has my access date, and then I'm good. So I'm going to click Add Citation Source. And it's got it all listed out here. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and add another source because I have two. So I'm going to go to this one, get that URL, come over here, add citation source, website, URL, paste, search. It got it. It's missing the contributors on there, so I'm going to get that, continue. And there's actually multiple authors on this one. And they are Meredith Critchfield. So I'm going to put Meredith Critchfield and Michael Carey. And you can see, even though I have multiple authors, I can fit them all in there. James P. Helfers. Okay, so James P. Helfers. It's important that you keep the author's name the way it's listed. Okay, so we got that. It does not have a publisher, and I think it probably does. It's Grand Canyon University. So I'm going to put that in there. Website title is also Grand Canyon University. That's all okay. Published day, month, and year. Thought I saw a date, February 27th, 2024. So 27 February 2024. All right, and then I'm going to click Add Citation Source. Good, I have them both in here. And then I can actually insert a Works Cited page. I just click this blue button right here, and it will, I need to put it in the right spot. I should put it on its own page, so I'm going to come down just by hitting Enter. And then I'm going to hit Insert Works Cited. and it put in a works cited page. And then I can see it's all set up correctly. It's got it in alphabetical order. It's all good to go. That took hardly any time at all. And now if I wanted to quote something in here, so for instance, I do quote this one right here. And this one I used an embedded citation, so I'm okay. And I did make sure it was something that Meredith Crutchfield said. She says they kind of tell you which authors are saying what here. Okay. So I just cited it correctly already, so I don't need to do anything else. That information's already here. The other quote that I did, though, is right here, and I didn't cite. So I need to cite it in here. So I'm going to click right here. I'm going to go over my other source, which is the Gail Pastor one, and I'm going to click Cite, and it put in the correct citation. I just have to fix it, so let's do that. Period. Now, if it was from a book, I might come in here and add in the page number, but I didn't do it from a book. It's from a website, and that's all that's needed. We used to need to do web, but we don't have to do that anymore. Okay, and that's how you use the Google Citation Tool.